Welcome to SuperTab, the only app that lets you replace the simple system app switcher with a more powerful and more flexible app switcher that you can fully customize. As you can see, SuperTab starts with your active apps, just like the standard app switcher with all the same features. But then SuperTab also gives you instant access to all the windows of all your running apps, your recent apps, recent docs, and recent folders. Next are all your dock items, including handoff support and even the trash. And then a row of some example custom items, which we'll cover in a few moments. Lastly, you have access to the items on your desktop, as well as your clipboard history. Now, this is just the starting point, for you can customize SuperTab however you want. You can reorder rows, remove any rows, create a new row by mousing over the bottom of an existing row and clicking the plus button. Then you can choose what the new row displays. You can choose from all these options. You can similarly change what any existing row displays. You can even split rows to maximize your use of your screen space. Lastly, you can configure certain rows by mousing over their titles and clicking on this gear. This lets you tailor each row to best suit your own needs. Let's return to the custom items row. This is a special row that lets you add various kinds of items. You can click the plus button where you can add any files, folders, applications, individual system preference panels, save spotlight searches, customizable screenshots that you can trigger with just a click, website shortcuts, multiple clipboards, countdown timers, stopwatches, and more. You can use drag and drop to arrange the items, and you can even drag items from the Finder in to add them that way. Now, once you've set up SuperTab as you want, you can use it to do more than just accessing your apps, files, and folders. For example, you can see previews of many items just by highlighting them. Windows, text files, image files, clippings, and more. You can right-click on any app to make sure it is running during a time window you select. Automatically hide itself when it's been in the background for a while. Automatically quit itself when no longer in use. And you can even prevent your Mac from sleeping when the app is frontmost. And other things too. Right-clicking on any folder lets you access its entire contents, including drilling down into subfolders, as well as previewing contained files. You can select Manage Contents to customize the right-click menu, such as how to sort and group the contents of this folder in this menu. You can set up SuperTab to automatically reduce clutter by having it move or delete items after a time you choose. This is especially useful, for example, to keep your downloads folder free from clutter. Right-clicking on a file lets you copy its contents directly to the clipboard or share it via email. Other things you can do include setting custom hotkeys for items, setting Finder tags and labels for items. You can even decorate items with helpful icons, tint colors, or even custom overlay names. There's more in SuperTab settings. Here you can configure how you want to activate SuperTab and how to activate SuperTab's voice control, which you can learn about more on our website. If you click the More button, you'll also be able to customize SuperTab's appearance. You can change the row color, the row opacity, the maximum width of rows on screen, and you can adjust the icon size as well. You can similarly adjust the backdrop. And there are even more options, which you can learn about on our website as well. Well, that's an overview of SuperTab. We invite you to try it today, and it comes with a 30-day free trial, so you can try it out for free.